What's up guys, OnePlus has arrived in their full speed. We've seen the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro's design even before the launch of the OnePlus 70 Pro, and now full spec sheet of the whole OnePlus 8 lineup has surfaced on Chinese social site Weibo. There is no confirmation if this leak is legit, but it seems like it might be true. So starting off with the OnePlus 8 Lite, and before you hear anything, I want to tell you that it's not Lite by any means. It's having a 6.3-inch Super AMOLED Samsung's display with a punch hole towards the middle, kinda like of Samsung's approach for 2020. It's a Full HD Plus panel, and yes, this guy was indeed true. It has a 90Hz refresh rate. The front camera is placed inside this punch hole, which is 16 megapixel. Moving on to the back cameras, so it has dual camera setup according to all leaks, but this leak shows it might have a triple camera setup consisting of 48 megapixel main lens with 12 megapixel zoom lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. But I'm gonna go with dual cameras because I know he's a legit guy when it comes to smartphone leaks. So I'm expecting it to have a 48 megapixel main lens with 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Under the hood it will rock MediaTek Dimensity 1000 CPU, which is actually a 5G CPU and kind of flagship grade CPU, but not as powerful as of the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865. Battery will be 4000 mAh with warp charge 30D. Moving on to the OnePlus 8 standard model, so it has a slightly bigger 6.5-inch Samsung Super AMOLED display with same 90Hz refresh rate, but this time with curved edges. Under the hood, as always, it will rock latest Snapdragon with 8 and 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of UFS 3 based storage. Towards the back, it has triple camera setup. The main camera is going to be the new 64 megapixel sensor Sony IMX686 with 12 megapixel zoom sensor and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The front camera will be 32 megapixel one. 4000 mAh battery is going to be inside of this phone with warp charge 30D. And the last one we have the Pro, the OnePlus 8 Pro. So the OnePlus 8 Pro will be rocking a 6.7-inch 120Hz Quad HD Super AMOLED display with a punch hole on the side. This leak shows it has dual camera setup up front consisting of 32 megapixel main with TOF camera for better portraits, but all leaks shows single camera here. So let me know which one you like, dual pill-shaped camera or just single camera. 4500 mAh battery will be inside of this phone with Snapdragon 865 and with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM along with 128, 256 and 512 gigs of UFS 3 based storage. There will be OnePlus new super warp charging technology which can charge OnePlus 8 Pro with up to 50 watts. Speaking of the camera, so it has total of 4 cameras at the rear consisting of 64 megapixel main, 12 megapixel telephoto, which according to this leak will give you up to 10 times lossless zoom. There will also be a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a time of flight sensor for better portraits. OnePlus 8 Pro will also be the first OnePlus smartphone to have an IP rating. Yes, OnePlus 8 Pro will have an IP68 rating, while the OnePlus 8 and 8 Lite could have an IP53 rating, which is just splash resistant. So yeah, that's all. OnePlus 8 series is looking really great. If this spec sheet becomes true, OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be the absolute best of OnePlus. I just want from this phone to have a better camera software. Sensors are looking really capable, and if OnePlus utilize their best camera software algorithm, then it will be really close to Samsung and Huawei. So yeah, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.